Wow, couples who live together do start to look alike.
Look, I am working right now, okay? So just say what you have to say and leave me alone.
Huh, sound alike too. So, Mondler. What you doing?
What does it look like? I am cleaning.
Did you get Monica's authorization to move all of her stuff?
Authorization? I don't need that. I'm gonna put everything back.
Put it back exactly where you found it?
Yes, I'm gonna put it back exactly where I found it.
Okay, first of all, that attitude is not helping.
She is not gonna care if I put her stuff back in the same stupid place.
Oh, hello? Did you just meet Monica?
She is gonna recognize that I did a nice thing and appreciate it.
Huh. No, actually, this will work out well. Because when you have to move back in with Joey, Joey's hot new roommate can come live with me.
I see. You're trying to freak me out.
Look, Chandler, Monica is really weird about this kind of stuff. All right? Believe me, I lived with her for 16 years. She is going to freak out. Oh my God, she's going to sit on you. That probably won't hurt as much anymore.
No, she's not. Okay, I'll prove it to you. I'm gonna call her right now. Phone's done.
Hi.
Hey, Maud, how's it going?
Terrible. I'm telling you, if I want something done right, I have to do it myself. Other people just wreck stuff. I really think I might kill someone tonight.
Oh, come on. It can't be that bad.
It's worse. The only thing that's getting me through is knowing that I'm going to be seeing you soon. I think I might even try to get out of here early.
No. No, it sounds like they really need you down there.
Or are you just hanging out with Ross?
It's all good. Okay, bye-bye. She's gonna kill me.
Well, the phone was facing the other way. And that goes back up there.
Okay, this is good. This is under control. You know what we should do? We should start with the big stuff, That'll be the easiest. So, let's start with the couch. I got it.
Yeah, that doesn't look right.
What are you talking about? The couch is perfectly in line with the carpet, and then I could just walk over here and casually just put my feet right up on... Okay, here's what we do. We just move the couch closer to the coffee table.
Oh, but then the back of the couch won't line up with the back of the carpet.
Okay, well, here, we'll move the coffee table closer to the couch.
No, whoa. But then the coffee table won't be centered in the seating area.
Yes, but the coffee table doesn't match the table. How am I Ross?
Hi. Look, what am I gonna do? I'm not flirting, but still, I'm drawing her to me like a moth to a flame. What the hell's going on over here? Monica's gonna kill you. Look, I need your help, okay? I have to do something to repel this woman. Wait a minute. You guys repel women all the time.
Hey, I've been married 3 times.
No. I've seen it happen. You get a rapport going with a woman, but somehow you manage to kill her. Time after time after time after time. What's your secret?
Look, we do not repel women, okay? That is completely untrue.
Yes, we do, my man. Remember when we were back in college, when we went to that spring dance, and you walked right up to that girl you liked, and you could not stop talking about the Irish potato famine?
Yeah, well, what about you? You weren't so, hot in college either. After everything he said, he'd go, ba-dum-bum.
Yeah, Monica doesn't like that either. Maybe I should stop doing that.
Well, you know what? Girls don't like it when I start talking about science.
That's not specific to girls.
This is great. What else?
They don't like it when you correct their grammar.
And they don't like it when you explain why your jokes are funny.
They don't like it when you keep asking them if they like you.
Man, I'm so lucky I have Monica.
I'm never gonna find...
Because it's